solving absolute value equations in one variable, and express solutions in various notations, if that is interval notation. Absolute value. Absolute value, it is the distance of a number from zero on a number line, regardless of direction. The symbol for absolute value, that is this one. What could be the key concept for the absolute value? Absolute value of x is equal to a. If the value for a is greater than 0, then x is equal to a or x equals negative a. What does the absolute value of 5 equal? So that is equal to positive 5. How about absolute value of negative 8 equals? So that is positive 8. If you observe, despite the given is absolute value of positive or negative, the answer is positive. What does the absolute value of negative 7 equals? That is 7. How about absolute value of 0? That is equal to 0. What are the different steps for solving absolute value equation? Number 1, isolate the absolute value expression. Second, write two equations. Third, solve each equation and let us check if your answer is correct. And then the last one, express the solution set. Absolute value of x is equal to 7. It means if that is absolute value, the answer is negative 7 and positive 7. So x is equal to negative 7 or x equals positive 7. So kung isusulat natin siya in set notation, that is curly braces from negative 7 and then positive 7. So curly braces, negative 7, and then positive 7. How about number 2? So absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 5. So it means x minus 3 is equal to positive 5. If we solve the value for x, negative 3, going to the right side, so x is equal to positive 8. Next, bring down x minus 3 equals negative 5. So negative 3 going to the right side, so negative 5, so this one, so that is negative 5 plus 3. And then negative 5 plus 3, that is equal to negative 2. In a set notation, that is curly braces, so para mas madali nating maiayos, so yung pinakamababa on the left side, pinakataas on the right side, so negative 2, 8. But then in any order. So negative 2, 8. Number 3, absolute value of 2x plus 1 equals 9. First, 2x plus 1 equals 9. So if we put positive 1 on the right side, so that becomes 2x is equal to 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1, the answer is equal to 8. If we divide both sides with positive 2, so 2 divided by 2 is x, and then 8 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 4. Second one, 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 9. So it means positive 1 going to the right side, so that is negative 1. So 2x equals negative 10. If we divide both sides with positive 2, so 2 divided by 2 is x, negative 10 divided by 2, that is equal to negative 5. In a set notation, that is curly braces, negative 5, and then comma 4. Number 4, absolute value of 3x minus 6 is equal to 12. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 12. So negative 6 going to the right side. So 12 plus 6, that is 18. So bring down 3x, 12 plus 6, that is equal to 18. If we divide both sides with 3, so x is equal to 6. Next, 3x minus 6 is equal to negative 12. So bring down 3x and then negative 6 and then negative 12. So negative 12 plus 6, that is negative 6. So 3x equals negative 6. If we divide both sides with positive 3, so x is equal to negative 2. In a set notation, that is the curly braces, that is negative 2, positive 6. How about number 5? Absolute value of x plus 4 is equal to 0. So it means x plus 4. so is equal to 0. So it means x is equal to negative 4. So it means in the set notation that is negative 4. So curly braces and then negative 4. Absolute value of 2x plus 5 equals 15. First, 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. So bring down 2x, 15 minus 5, that is 10. If we divide both sides with positive 2, so 2 divided by 2 is x, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. Second, 2x plus 5 is equal to negative 15. So bring down 2x. Negative 15 minus 5 is negative 20. So 2x equals negative 20. If we divide both sides with positive 2, so it means x is equal to negative 10. In a set notation, we have curly braces, negative 10, and then positive 5. 7. Absolute value of 3x plus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. So absolute value of 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. So it means we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. So bring down 3x, 12, positive 3, change the sign. So 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. So 3x divide equals 9. So if we divide both sides with positive 3, so it means x is equal to 3. Second one, 3x plus 3 equals negative 12. So it means bring down 3x and then negative 12 minus 3. So negative 12 minus 3, that is negative 15. So 3x equals negative 15. So 3x equals negative 15. If we divide both sides with positive 3, so 3 divided by 3 is x. Negative 15 divided by 3, that is equal to negative 5. So the set notation, that is negative 5 and then positive 3. Number 8, absolute value of x minus 5 equals negative 3. So if that is negative, so it means there is no real solution. So in symbol, in a set notation, ganito yung symbol for no real solution. That is empty set. How about number 9? Absolute value of x plus 3 plus 2 equals 0. So it means absolute value of x plus 3 equals negative 2. So nag-negative ulit yung value. So it means the answer is no real solution, or the set notation, that is empty set. Let us summarize what we have learned. Absolute value equation usually produce two solutions. If the absolute value equals 0, there is one solution. If the absolute value equals a negative number, there is no solution. So if that is negative number, automatically there is no solution. Absolute value equals to 0, there's a possibility of one solution. While the absolute value produce two solutions. So pwedeng two solutions, one solutions, or pag nag-negative siya, there's no solution. Instruction: solve and express the solution in interval notation or a set notation. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.